Yeah. Overdose. Sometimes I feel life ain't worth living. Everybody receiving, but ain't nobody giving. This world is so cold, my soul is forgiven. And even though I pray to God, I still end up sinning. Man, it's gotta be a better place. Come and take me away, cause I don't know if I can go through this after the day. And yeah, it's true, money change you the negative way. Feeling like you won't top until you fall flat on your face. And when reality hit, you realize you ain't worth shit, cause all the people around you worry about what they can get. For the love of the money, you become blind to this shit, until you open your eyes and you in that bottomless pit. End up climbing up out and realize what it's about, cause all these people influenced by what you rhyming about. Shout out to every MC to be on the positive route. I'm debating if I should put these fucking pills in my mouth. I'm about to overdose. Suicide is in the back of my mind. I need somebody to hold me close. Even if you gotta lie, tell me it's gonna be alright. But will that stop me? No one knows. Put the pills in my hand, take them all at one time. I felt the same way before. I'm about to overdose. I'm pretty sure that this will end my troubles and frustrations. They say that one less nigga is the best, face it. My presence on earth has been a lot of time wasted. I know that once I take my own life, I can't replace it. But that's cool, cause I really want it that way. I'm all alone and I still feel alone when I pray. I'm about to do it and it ain't nothing else you can say to change my mind, cause I made up my mind for the day. Write a letter to my mom and tell her I love her, and one a piece for my brothers from the same mother, and one to the mother of my 3 beautiful kids. I love you and I'm sorry for the stupid shit I did. I'm gone, yeah, I'm gone. I apologize for the pain I've caused. I don't know what I'ma do without y'all, but I gotta be as free as a room with no walls. I'm about to overdose. Suicide is in the back of my mind. I need somebody to hold me close. Even if you gotta lie, tell me it's gonna be alright. But will that stop me? No one knows. Put the pills in my hand, take them all at one time. I felt the same way before. I'm about to overdose.